you spend much time here?
Yeah, this place is kind of a safe haven for the Resistance. I hope the Emperor didn't find that out, too.
Welcome to Xerxes, your newly intradimensional gastropub and battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Xerxes, where we slaughter with a smile.
Xerxes usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts.
No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafer. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Xerxes is a violent spree zone. Take it outside.
I am more lover than fighter. And for you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you. We'll have to sign up to take out those pirates. Don't worry, I'll win you that part.
So, this hit list of the Emperors, are you...
At the top? You bet.
I hope Dr. Nefarious is not causing any trouble. But knowing him, I doubt we would be so lucky.
Welcome, my beings, to Zircon Jr.'s Slaughterplex. Are you ready to witness the excitement, the pain, the carnage? Tonight, me, favorite Rivet, will fight the pirate.
Oh dear. Why must every dimension have a dangerous battle arena?
Fight you both myself!
The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
A true pirate signature! a less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François?
Large.
Why am I dying? The Pierre's running from a fight. Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal booster. Looks like you're gonna need a new partner. Yeah, almost got him.
Under the hula! Ribbon emerged victorious from the ravages of battle! Cheer, beans! Cheer!
A defeat? But how? Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your part.
Ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be
Be careful out there.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing. Nice work back there. Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Blizar Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up. You've gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a Dimensionator.
I mean, sure. We all knew it wasn't gonna be easy.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe. Right.
Hey there, Rivet! If you're hearing this and can spare a moment or two, Trudy sure could use your help on Sargasso.
Trudy?
She's a friend. Probably has nothing to do with saving the dimension, but Mort wouldn't ask if it wasn't important.
Hello, Dimension. I know I've been away for, you know how long. So, I thought we should catch up. What have I been up to? Oh, just speaking with my adoring fans. Enjoying my lovely scenery. And finding out that there are two insolent Lombaxes running around trying to ruin everything! So, I'm offering a bounty of 3 squillion nefarious freedom coupons to anyone who can bring me those fuzzy miscreants, dead or alive. But preferably alive, so I can have some fun with them first. My elaborate spy network indicates that they'll be at Blizzard and Savali very soon. So, get to it! And if those Lombaxes are listening, just know that I'm going to crush you into dust. And then I'll blast that dust into a sun, and then I'll dump that sun into...
Great. Now I'm on 2 nefarious hit lists.
And he knows where we are going. Oh, dear.
Let's hope Ratchet finds that prophet soon. Phase Courts, here we come. Let's do this. On Sargasso, you said you gave Ratchet the Dimensionator so that he could find the other Lombaxes. I never thought I'd meet one of us, much less find our home, if you can even call it that. Do you really think it would work?
No.
No? No! What happened here?
I am uncertain. We must find Phase Quartz, but I do not know how it could have survived this. The freeze on it appears to have stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
Whoa. Another dimension. Is this your Blizzard?
No, but we can find intact Phase Quartz here. We should seek out the miners.
Indigenous creatures detected. Lockdown initiated.
Facility lockdown. Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first! What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Haven't you punished me enough?
We need to reach the other
Stupid
side of that window
universe.
to activate the
No
lockdown
job.
release.
No
Another
Phase
dimensional
Quartz.
thing?
No
Yes,
planet.
the instability is
What else do
worsening.
you want, huh?
Probably
My
why mining
mind?
operations are offline.
Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blizzard's still intact.
Still intact. How do you... Of course! The Blizzard! If the planet hasn't been destroyed yet.
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of whatever happened here.
All right, we need another Blizzard crystal.
I need to find them. They need to know.
She's broadcasting to anyone who will listen.
We can look into it after we obtain the Phase Quartz.
This area is currently on lockdown. Please vacate the facility at your earliest and safest convenience. Thank you, and have a pleasant day.
We're locked in. overrides. Aha! Got it!
Lockdown reset. Thank you, and have a safe, rule-following, blazing Blizzard day.
Seismic activity has destroyed the bridge.
Guess we're going the long way around. Boys are kind of cute when they're not trying to gnaw your ankles.
Which is never.
More goons for less.
Really?
Honestly, kind of cute. Room goons might be elite, but not as elite as us.
Please keep your hands and feet inside and avoid the insta-death lava bubbling all around you. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Thanks for the help, Bolts. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to mine the face quartz. Perhaps the giant drill.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
This is the mining hub. Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill. The Chief Engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You are just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa, really?
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia. These individuals appear as confused as we are.
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts. Can't really blame them, but we need that drill. We should hurry. Whatever happened to Blizzard in my dimension, this one could be next.
First earthquakes, and we thought, okay, lockdown. It wasn't enough. Try to warn them, but does anyone listen to me? No!
Warn? About what? So shiny.
It is quality when you buy from Miss Zircon. I love kicking off a new upgrade chain. I do hate to see you go, sugar.
Welcome to to Blizzard. We are currently on lockdown due to interdimensional chaos that is worsening by the second. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.